Welcome to MPS Tech. Here's a quick demo for how to print from your student laptop. First, open the document you need to print and click on the print icon. Next, we are going to select the required printer. If your school only has black and white printers, select MPS Printer BW. If your building has color printers and you need to print in color, select MPS Printer Color. As soon as you click the print button, you will see a pop-up telling you that your job is being held in a queue. At this point, we can walk to any print kiosk in your building to collect the print job. Log into the kiosk with your student ID. Your print job will be visible, as should anything submitted in the last 24 hours. After you click print, your job should come out of the appropriate printer. When you're finished, remember to log out. You're all done.